Hello everyone, I'm magician Ethan Yip. Today I'm very proud to introduce a routine that will redefine your audience's perception, red and white beyond the secrets.
Red and white beyond the secret. Classic reborn. This is probably the cleanest and most convenient color-changing silk routine you've ever seen. Since this version requires no table, you can perform the routine anywhere, stage, in a parlor, or even in close-up. I have performed it in over 1,000 actual shows. In this routine, you don't need to use a magic wand or magic powder to ditch this gimmick. Our dye tube comes with a built-in marking system. You can feel the marking system in your pocket to find the right direction and perform right away. This is an entertaining routine. We promise to teach the audience the magic secret after the performance, so they will watch attentively. Stuff the white silk scarf into your hand. The white silk scarf in your hand turns red bit by bit, just like magic. The key point is, there's nothing in your hand. At this time, you can humorously explain the secret of this trick. Teach the audience how to prepare for this trick. Hold 2 silk scarves in your hand, and grip them tightly. Their elasticity means they'll pop out if you loosen your grip even slightly. When the audience sees this, they will ask you to open your hands. At that moment, just rub the silk scarves, loosen your hands gently, and you'll get warm applause from the audience.
In the tutorial, I'll teach you everything: techniques, body rotations, and the full script. Get this and you'll have a complete routine. The product includes a dye tube with great feel and a marking system. All needed 100% silk scarves, and a top-it system to ditch the gimmick without extra moves like taking wand or magic powder. You can not only use the top-it system in this routine, but you can also use it to make small objects disappear. Get it now, you'll be able to amaze your audience. Red and white beyond the secret.